This open field near Victoria Homes has become a space to relax and move around for free. People come here to walk, exercise, bond with family, to enjoy the scenery and the fresh air. But how long can this beauty last if trash continues to pile up? How can we keep enjoying this space if the noise, the smell, and the litter eventually take over what makes it special?
Over there at the grass part, what I have observed there is that people do picnic there. So their waste natatapon lang doon sa grass. It's not that responsible with their waste.
Ang the best po, disiplina sa isa't isa. Yung napunta na nagja-jogging, yung mga kalat, ilagay naman sa tamang lagayan.
A great idea would be in this community, like here in this barangay, they can like do a operation where they can put some trash cans over there, like every corner of the place.
Tapos yung mga kumakain ng mga plastic, dapat ilagay sa tamang lagayan. Kasi yun din, nakakabara din ng mga kanal kapag ka naiipon.
Sa akin naman, ang naano ko, yung kanal, sumisingaw yung amoy, talagang maano talaga sa mabaho siya.
Dapat maging malinis sana kasi pinupuntahan ng mga tao to eh. Yun dapat.
The people who come here love this place, but we've seen the problem. So let us all be responsible goers. Real change begins with simple actions. Every visit, every piece of trash picked up, every second we choose to care. We are the solution. Leave it clean, enjoy the scene.